Hey guys, Grease Monkey Sweet right here. Coming to you with a video about this 512G Allis I got about 4 years ago. Got it at a garage sale for 50 bucks. Can't go bad. But I did have a blown motor. Original motor size was 16. So I took it apart and I replaced the motor now to 15.5 overhead valve motor. Other than that, this whole thing run good. Got great steering. I didn't replace the wiring in this because I did like the stock wiring. I did take out the safety switches. The one under the seat, one for the deck, one for the clutch and brake, and the one for keeping it in gear or not. So there's 4. So I took all those out. I added these fender flares. They're made out of aluminum. One on the front. I cut this one on the front out so you can clear the aluminum pedal. And it got a straight pipe with a screw-on exhaust muffler. And I got on this side. I got one in the rear. They were good. Got the stock front tires on it. Came with it. I didn't paint the rims. Same with the rear, but the rear tires are different. Original size were 18s, these are 20s. So sit a little bit higher in the rear. But these are turf tire. Before it had like a paddle tire. So you didn't want to tear up the lawn or anything. Transmission is a 5-speed with reverse. Works great. I didn't lock it or anything, because you want to turn nice and smooth on the grass when you cut grass. This is a grass cutter. I made a front bumper. It can come off by wing nuts. Unscrew the wing nuts, it comes off, and then the hood totally comes off then. What else? I made a rear bumper. Piece of pipe, 2 brackets welded to the frame. Trailer hitch, it kind of works for now. I want to redesign that, I think. The crutch system worked great in this. It's not a double back crutch system, which I'd like, but this one works great. Didn't have no issues yet. But this thing used to go fast. I used to have a 2-inch pulley on the rear differential, and I used to have a 8-inch on the engine. And this thing, I got it up to 65 on the highway. 65 miles per hour. Oh yeah, and the tires I had on it when I was doing that fast, I had 25-inch quad tires on it. As you can see, some paint wore off there because the tire was touching the frame a little bit. But yeah, 65 on a ride-on tractor, I think that's pretty insane. Now, with steering, this is one of the best steering tractors. That's why I wanted to go that fast at one time. Get out of here, B. I don't need you. Oh yeah, and this deck, one of the best deck setups for cutting grass, I swear. Of course, it ought to work. You got this to raise and lower your deck, like to adjust your height. Then you got this lever to lower it totally, like keep it off the ground. And then you got that lever here to engage the deck. So it is a more like it takes more skill to operate it, but it cuts the grass like golf course style. Like, right, it's one of the best. I'll just say that. But for right now, right now I got the pulley set up on the engine to transmission. A 2-inch on the engine and a 6-inch on the rear. So you still got it better than the 10-inch it was on it. But yeah, you don't need it to go 65 anymore. I'm happy the way it is. The front headlight, it did fall out. It vibrated out. I don't know how, and I ran it over, so it kind of broke. So yeah, that's mostly a bit about this tractor. So this is my 7th tractor I had. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. This is a bit about this tractor, and more comes soon. See you guys later. Bye bye.